Ganda ng kotse dito.
This is Terrence coming to you from the War Room, and the last race is underway, and the one and only.
Parang sa California lang. Meron dito. Okay, naliligaw na yata tayo eh. Ha? Dito pa yung daan. Nasaan si ano dito, Torito? Oh, wow!
Enjoy the cars, enjoy the music. I'll be right back at you.
Well, come on in, come on in, welcome. Welcome to the break room, or currently I am on break. My name is Pat, short for Pat. Hey guys, come all the way into the room for me, please, away from those doors, thank you. Got a quick question. Who here's ready to go to a party? Ready? Get all the way into the room.
My brother with another car for his collection. Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
That makes two of us.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
Very
And the
true.
faces you see on these walls are our family.
I'm not
When
there.
I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again. So, welcome to our family.
Well, welcome to the family, everyone. It took me like 3 years. Hey, Tej, on the monitor with Mia.
All right. What's up, Mia?
Hey, Tej, just welcoming these good people to our family. How are their rides coming along?
The rides are ready to roll out, and roll out in style.
All right. I'll let Dom know. You guys have fun at the party.
Bye, Mia.
Bye, Mia.
All right, Pat.
Yes?
Let's get these people on their way. Send them over to the War Room.
You got it, boss. Oh, wait, a few questions.
Peace.
Hello?
So how are you guys?
Very good.
Good, great, wonderful. That's nice to hear. I'm doing good, thanks, Pat. I thought they would ask, but that's fine. Who are these people, by the way?
Oh, we don't have to. Adopting everybody.
Oh. So which one of y'all owe me $20?
All of them.
Bet, yeah. Okay, cool. Do I know what I'm supposed to be doing with you guys? No, unfortunately. So y'all can come a little bit closer, see all this cool illegal street racing stuff, information, heist that we are planning. Yes, because we are criminals here. By your shock of your expression, you did not know that. So welcome to the organization.
Jamie, the buses are here.
Okay, cool. So what do you want me to do with these random people that are here in the war room and now Dom's calling? So.
I got this, Jamie.
Okay, cool.
Dom, what up?
Tej, just got a heads up from Art.
What does he want?
The FBI is about to raid your location.
Oh no.
Man, they always ruining our fun.
Every 5 minutes.
It gets worse.
Ah.
They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Which door? There's 9 of them, sir.
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down is...
Kaya maglugan dito. Kaya maglugan. Nata. What's naman Kenapa nih? Hah? Iya.